scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economics graphs can be tricky, but we will master this long-run average total cost problem together in just 60 seconds. Let's find the right answer. First, we must identify the minimum efficient scale on the graph. This specific point occurs at the lowest point of the long-run average total cost curve, which is located at quantity 3. Next, look at where the firm is currently operating. The problem states the firm is on the second short-run curve at quantity 2, which is clearly to the left of quantity 3. To reach the lowest point at quantity 3, the firm must expand. Increasing output achieves minimum efficient scale, making option C correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading graphs. Always trust given points and check your steps.